What's up guys, it's your boy Balu Trader here. In this new video I will tell you what you should do to start trading with actually zero knowledge in this area. But firstly, we will open our first deal and do some tech analysis. And our first pair is Euro to US dollar. We will invest in the price growth after the reversal and rollback. Let's switch to broker and open a deal for 100 with 4-minute expiration time. And as always, we will go back to TradingView for more detailed analysis. Let's look at the interval of movement of the chart for a longer period of time. Here we can observe how with low volumes the chart worked in a sideways movement. And after the breakdown of the resistance level, there was a change of the predominance from buyers to sellers. Thus, with a general increase in volumes due to the opening of the London session, a downtrend was formed. In this trend, the chart worked out the local price minimum, and again with the reversal after oversaturation of sales, we can see the change of the trend into a bullish one. Now, everything goes to restore in a given trend. The processing of the previous sideways movement and reach the previous levels. So in the case, judging by the reduction of volume saturations on the sales and the approach of the chart to the support line, we open a deal for further growth and in the development of the previously worked out range of the flat. So let's move back to broker. Today, in this new video, I will tell you how, with the lack of knowledge or even with the zero knowledge at all, with a minimal investment you can stably make from $200 a day. Trading can be a very profitable activity if you approach it with the right mindset and strategies. However, it can also be a risky activity if you don't have a trading plan. So in order to make consistent profits in trading, it is important to develop a solid trading plan, which includes your objectives, risk management plan, and selected strategy. A good plan takes into account your trading style, risk management expectations, and it lays out your entire approach to trading. A trader who makes a thoughtful plan and follows it is more likely to stay sane, meaning less likely to make serious mistakes. It is this kind of plan that helps you trade in a disciplined manner and stay with a cool mind when trading. But before we proceed further, I want to recommend you to subscribe to my channel if you are not. I'm regularly sharing lots of useful trading tips and knowledge, so you better not miss it. And by the way, in addition to educational videos on YouTube, I'm also writing educational articles in my open Telegram channel. In this channel you can find not only articles but also useful literature, educational posts, and of course videos. In addition to all of these, I'm also running trading sessions with participants of this open Telegram channel. You can find the link to join it in the description under the video or in the pinned comment. It is completely free to join, so connect to our community. Because of the lack of understanding of the possibilities and advantages of trading with a plan, many people devalue its help and consider it an unnecessary waste of time. Yes, it does not affect the opening of deals, but let's not forget about the fact that 80% of success in trading is psychology. So why not include planning here as well? In order to create the basis of a trading plan, you need to ask yourself some questions. What are your trading goals? Do you trade as an additional income, or do you wish to make it your main business? How much risk are you willing to take on each trade? In what markets do you wish to trade, and what assets in those markets do you wish to focus on? Will you use technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or a combination of both? How you will manage your risk and what tools will you use to do so? If you answer those questions correctly, you should not set yourself exorbitant goals. I advise you to start with real amounts that you can earn and increase this goal with the time. We will make a small pause here to take our first profit for today and pass to the analysis of the next pair, Euro to Canadian dollar. Not a lot to analyze here because this spike is influenced by the news. So we will invest here in a reversal from support level and for the price growth. Let's switch to broker and open a deal for 100 with 4-minute expiration. And back to broker for detailed analysis. Also, let's look at an earlier period, and right away I want to mention that on this pair we faced with the news impulse on the fall. But nevertheless, let's carry out the technical analysis because both local and global minimums and maximums are important here. In general, we observe the workout of the sidewall with the local micro trend. At first, after the positive fall at low volumes, the trend changed for a short time and the chart with the sharp growth came to the previously set upper border of the sidewall. And the increase of the volume provoked the increase of fluctuation in the wrong direction. Thus, after the maximum, there was a reversal in a downtrend to the minimum. The price was flat on the leveling of the volumes because there was no clear prevalence of activity. And when the lows began to increase, we see a clear advantage of buyers in the market, which led to a sharp increase in the returns to the highs. At the same time, we faced with the news impulse to the fall, but even so, according to the indicator after the dominance of the volume to buy, the price should be being a reversal of the attack. Or, specifically in this situation, after the working out of the bottom line on the impulse, we go into a corrective reversal on the rise. So let's move back to the broker to keep an eye on this news deal. Are you looking to take your binary options trading to the next level? Then connect to my private channel for exclusive access to my personal mentorship, lots of trading sessions, individual feedback, and more educational materials. By joining my private channel, you will receive invaluable insights and guidance. You will have access to live trading sessions where you can trade side by side with me and learn from my strategies and techniques. In addition to all of that, you will receive individual feedback and support to help you identify areas for improvement and refine your trading skills. To join my private channel, simply send me a phrase "I want some honey" in my personal Telegram. The link to contact me will be in the description under the video or in a pinned comment. The next component is calculating risks. Before you start trading, think about how much of your balance you are willing to risk. Determine how much of your balance you are willing to risk on each trade. It should be a small percentage of your total trading balance, usually from 2 to 10%. And do not forget that you need to adjust the size of both the position and the limit depending on the risk associated with the trade. For instance, if the market is very volatile or the risk of a trade is higher than usual, you can reduce the size of your position and risk in order to limit your potential losses. The next important thing is the selection of pairs and the time of the trading session. The best time to trade currencies depends on many factors, including the currency pairs traded, your location and time zone, and the volatility of the market. Typically, the currency market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week from Sunday night to Friday night, giving traders ample opportunity to trade. However, there are periods when the market is more active and unstable, which may not provide the best opportunities for trading. First, we have the London session, which is the most active trading sessions as it coincides with the opening of the European markets. It is traded from 8 to 16 GMT. New York session is the second most active trading session as it coincides with the closure of European markets and the opening of the North American markets. It trades from 13 to 21 GMT. The Asian session is the least volatile trading session, but it can still provide trading opportunities, especially for the traders looking to trade USD/GPU. It trades from 00 to 8 GMT. It is important to note that the best time to trade currencies also depends on the trader's trading strategy and preferred currency pairs. Some traders may prefer to trade during quieter market hours, while others may prefer to trade during periods of high volatility. It is important to do your own research and analyze to determine the best time to trade according to your trading style and preferences. The expiration time is also an important factor, especially when trading in a volatile market or market during news releases, such as for example in our current situation. Volatility and momentum after a news release is quite high, and it was a mistake to enter a trade with a 4-minute expiration, as we stumble into reversal with you. Because of this, I decided to use a 1-minute cover on $200 with the price growth. And as you can see, volatility is now playing on our side and closing our trade on the plus side. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like and drop a comment. See you in a while, have a good one, bye.